Goko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Andũ arĩa makuhĩrĩirie mũtongoria wa bũrũri, that is Murkomen, Faruk Kibet na MP Star Kimani Ichung'wa, nĩtũronire maki-attack mũndũ ũgwĩtwo former president Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta. Maramũ-attack nĩkĩ? Maramũikĩria mĩario nĩkĩ? Hena video ndĩramũikĩrĩire ya president ekũrĩa bũrũri wa Uganda. Ekũrĩa bũrũri-inĩ wa Uganda augire atĩa? Erire yuthi no magĩrĩirwo go protect their country kumana na wishi. Uhuru nĩakoretwo akĩaria ũhoro wa Gen Z. Akera Gen Z, wake up. You have to fight for your country. You have to protect your country kumana na wishi, ugumanya, and so on and so forth. Nĩũndũ wa mĩario rĩu Uhuru athiĩ ekũrĩa Uganda, nĩkĩo andũ aya macamũkĩte ũũ. No really, this is a very big blunder, ladies and gentlemen. Andũ aya, as we speak, they should know that Uhuru is so valued in Mount Kenya region, tondũ nĩatũkanĩtie ũhoro wa must go, na maũndũ marĩa twĩraga nomo mekĩkĩte. So as we speak, at Mount Kenya, we value so much former president Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta, na maũndũ marĩa aria nĩtwamathikĩrĩria mũno. So when they attacked Uhuru, that's one of the biggest blunder thĩinĩ wa politics na twerekeire gĩthurano gĩa 2027. Hena gĩtũmi kĩngĩ kĩnene nĩkĩ mara-attack Uhuru. Gĩtũmi kĩu nĩndoka kũmwĩra. Mwĩra wa video ĩno nĩ mũtikariganĩrwo nĩ gũ-subscribe thĩinĩ wa channel ĩno ya Kikuyu podcast ya Makiaria.
Alimteua mzee Mudi Yaori akiwa na miaka 91 kuwa chairman ya Sports Fund, akisema anapenda vijana. Ule ndio unafisi ambaye inafanya Yesu hawezi akarudi saa hii mpaka ule mzee ya zamani Uhuru Kenyatta abadilishe mawazo yako.
It is very ironic. It is.
Ndugu yetu alipotuacha tulipeana ahadi mingi, na mingi ya ahadi hizo rais alisema.
Wewe ulikuwa president jana, hata wino yenye ulikuwa unasainia decisions kama rais hata haijakauka, lakini suddenly umekuwa very clever na umekuwa malaika haraka. Sasa wewe ndio unatupatia lecture kusema fanyeni maandamano, pigeni serikali. Na jana ulikuwa hapa, hata miguu yenye hata ile penye ulikanyaka ukitoka mlango ya State House haijakauka. Suddenly very clever. This exploitation of our young people is not right. And I want to ask leaders across the political divide.
Guys, acio ni Aruna Aruto. Definitely, we know where the message comes from. We know the sender of this message. The Mokogyo. We know, but this is a big blunder. Nikki, Uhuru is being valued so much in the Mount Kenya region. Na igwa evaluate all the Mount Kenya region. Mabia kwaria Uhuru wake. Ona tukura tũrĩa tũnini maretigĩirie matikona. Thaici nĩguo Mtemi aigĩte rĩu boundary yake na Mount Kenya region. Ahũre Gachagua nĩmoka ningĩ nĩ mambia kũ-attack former president. No. Thaici thĩinĩ wa Mount Kenya region nĩ hingo rĩu ona andũ macigeta mangĩhe Mtemi nĩ mamũhera othe. Rĩu mambie kũ-attack Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta, mariganĩrwo ni Mount Kenya region yothe. Now, niki andũ aya marerakaru? Is it because Uhuru aririe horo wa Gen Z? Horo wa Gen Z wenda warĩirie Kenya, arĩirie Uganda, aragia thĩinĩ wa university ya Makerere kũrĩ thĩinĩ wa Uganda, na agĩthia youth ya Uganda. Kĩrĩa youth ya Uganda rĩu aya nĩ maroka rĩu makambia gũcokia makiuga ũyũ so on and so forth. You see, Uhuru is dominant thĩinĩ wa gĩthurano gĩa 2027. Uhuru nĩe mũrehi mũndũ gwĩtwo Matiang'i. These guys matirenda Matiang'i. They are worried. They know Matiang'i arũgama agathurwo nĩ kila mũndũ, regardless of the tribe, regardless where people come from. Matiang'i agathurwo Gutigako ate na uchaguzi wa ukabila. 2027 Matiang'i ararugama agathurwo ni kabila ciothe. Gutikende kumenyeka kana mugithi amete kuma community ina andu anini. No, but agathurwo ni Akenya othe hamwe. Murehi Matiang'i ni Uhuru. Na Uhuru age pinpoint Matiang'i. Ni tondu jenzi maugaga atiriri ati ithuĩ turenda Matiang'i. Na Uhuru ni akwetwo akiaria uhoro muno wa jenzi. Akauga inyuĩ determinant. Koguo ni tamathikĩirie jenzi uria maugaga ati ithuĩ twita jenzi turenda Matiang'i. Na riu nikio marehire Matiang'i. Okay? Na ingu Matiang'i areho ni Uhuru kabino wiki iraingĩria guoya. Mageri kwa attack Matiang'i makiuga ngakire kurarema. Uhuru aria no mabia ruko attack. Because they are fearing and they know very much ino kadi ya Uhuru Matiang'i it will work wega pio. Because iduranisha 2027 toige Mutemi haha na Matiang'i haha. I tell you guys anamana geria wikate kana atia Matiang'i atachu ai kura nyingi muno from civil servants othe mundu wothe withini wa mushara Mukenya wothe jenzi othe Matiang'i. And still they really fear that this guy is very harsh. No, okay, ahigwe makesi higweo, you never know. So mena marakara tondu na bemwe Uhuru ya kwetu akiaria umakera jenzi inyue na inyue mugikata mugi okaforori wanyu matiende kuigwa uguo. Still makemenya Uhuru nigiwire uria jenzi mabugire ati mekwenda Matiang'i na ke Uhuru riu Matiang'i, because definitely Uhuru ethwa Matiang'i. He was his best cabinet secretary. Na ni jenzi mamwitirie. In fact, in 2027, ate adu mararugama, and I've told you now and then that then waithura 2027 adu nio metirie Matiang'i. Na nikyo akaheo kura. Because Akenya nio mamwitirie. Because they know his capability. So they are worried because of those things. Na magika riu maundu maya magatuma kana makahuana ta marahura Mugikuyu. Nacio kura cia Mugikuyu cikameherera. Mwaka wa 2027 it will be like that. Kura cia Mount Kenya ni kama wataisahau. Tondu mabe kwata Uhuru, they are doing one very big mistake. And I told you before, when they are attacking Uhuru, they are doing one very big mistake. Tondu Uhuru thaici ni atabrikanite muno ni andu a Mount Kenya region. So doing that, they are doing one big blunder. Guys, like so next thing, ndio mama itakuwa huko ni kwa podcast. Mani manyoni maliko inyumono na temu na wikarete tia. Mona politics ikarete tia. Ladies and gentlemen, na video ya next damukira. Ni amudo gweto Rigathi wa Gachagua. Very interesting. Thank you. Ndio matune amarathime. God bless you.